Good morning, all of you. So, in previous class, we already discussed quantum mechanical model of atom part 1. Okay. So, today in this class, we will discuss about remaining part of quantum mechanical model of atom. Okay. So, let us discuss about, first of all, let us discuss about important features of quantum mechanical model of atom. Okay. So, first one is the energy of electrons in atom is quantized. Okay, quantized nothing but fixed. Okay, the energy of electrons in atom is quantized, that is can only have certain specific values. Okay, can only have certain specific values. This is the first one. Okay, come to the second feature. The energy levels in an atom quantized, which are the allowed solutions of Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, the energy levels in an atom quantized, which are the allowed solutions of Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, so third one, both exact position and exact velocity of an electron in an atom is cannot determine accurately. Therefore, we only find the probability of electron at different points in space around the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so only we can find out the probability of electron at different points in space around the nucleus of an atom. Okay, okay, next one, all the information about the orbiting electron in an atom is stored or contained in the orbital wave function psi. Okay, so all the information about the electron in an atom is stored in the orbital wave function psi. Okay, okay, so psi, that means each and every electron assigned psi, each and every electron psi assigned, each and every electron assigned psi, and that psi gives the information about the electron, gives the information about the electron. Okay, psi represent the amplitude of the electron wave. Okay, it is commonly called wave function, commonly called wave function. Okay, it is a mathematical function and has no physical meaning by itself. Okay, it is a mathematical function and has no physical meaning by itself. Okay, so psi, simply psi is nothing but atomic orbital. Okay, psi is nothing but atomic orbital. It depends on the coordinate of the electron. It depends on the coordinates of the electron. That means if electron is there in the x direction, you will get some value for x. Okay, if electron is present in y direction, you will get some value for y. Okay, and psi does not carry any physical meaning. Psi does not carry any physical meaning. Okay, so this is a psi. Okay, okay, so psi is the wave function. Second one is it gives information about the, it gives information about the amplitude, amplitude of wave function, of wave function. Okay, so third one, it may have positive or negative or zero value. Okay, For example, if you consider this is a wave, electron is move like wave, like this. Okay, so this is upper portion is positive lobe, down portion is negative. Okay, so this is a 0. Okay, so it gives information about the amplitude of wave. This is the amplitude, this is the amplitude of wave. Okay, it may have positive or negative or 0 value. Okay, so next one, psi square. Psi square. Okay, so psi square is nothing but probability factor. It is a probability factor. Probability factor. Okay, okay, psi square is measure the probability of finding of electron. Okay, quantum mechanical model gives the new concept, that is the probability factor, also called probability density. Okay, so this psi square is gives the information about the for finding of electron in an atom. Okay, psi square is used for the finding of electron in an atom. Okay, this is also called probability density. Okay, so next one, it gives information about probability of finding of an electron within small region around the nucleus. Okay, for example, this is a nucleus, this is a nucleus. Around the nucleus electrons are revolved. Okay, so you know very well, according to Bohr's atomic theory, electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a circular fixed path, that is known as orbit. Okay, so according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, so the fixed orbits or paths are not correct or not possible. Okay, so only we can calculate probability of finding of electron, probability of electron. Okay, so here psi square gives the information about probability of finding of an electron within small region around the nucleus. Okay, okay, according to quantum mechanical model, electron move in the total region. Okay, in this region the probability of electron is more. In this region the probability of electron is more. Okay, if outside the region the probability of electron is very less. Okay, the probability of electron is very less. Okay, so in this region electrons stay more time. Okay, electron stay in this region is more time. Okay, 90%. Okay, 90% electron is present in this region, remaining is present in this outside the region. So okay, so this is a probability of electron. Okay, so it gives the information about probability of finding of an electron within small region around the nucleus. Okay, this region is called orbitals. This region is called orbital. Okay, atom contain many number of orbitals. Okay, atom contain many number of orbitals. Okay, okay, so in this region psi square is maximum. This is known as orbital. Okay, in this region psi square is maximum, so we call it as orbitals. Okay, so second one, it gives information about probability of finding an electron within within small region around the nucleus. Okay, so next one, in an orbital psi square is maximum. Okay, in an orbital psi square is maximum. Okay, psi square nothing but probability factor. Okay, in an orbital psi square is maximum. Next one, what is orbital? Okay, quantum mechanical model introduce two concepts. One is probability factor, another one is orbital. Okay, what is mean by orbital? Okay, orbital nothing but the space or region around the nucleus. Okay, around the nucleus, the space or region around the nucleus where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is known as orbital. Okay, in an atom many number of orbitals is present, that is s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital, like this. These are orbitals. Okay, so orbital nothing but where the probability of finding of electron maximum is known as orbital. Okay, so this is an atom. Okay, in this region the probability of finding of electron is maximum, so this is known as orbitals. This is known as orbital. Okay, so here in an orbital psi square is maximum. Okay, psi square is nothing but probability factor, so in an orbital psi square is maximum. Okay, probability is maximum, so psi square also maximum. Okay, the value of probability factor or probability density is always positive. Okay, this is a psi and psi square. Okay, so all the information about the orbiting electron in an atom is stored in the orbital wave function psi. Okay, so next one, in each orbital the electron has a definite energy. In each orbital the electron has a definite energy. So next feature, an orbital cannot contain more than 2 electrons. That means each orbital contain maximum electrons 2 only. Okay, more than 2 electrons not possible. Okay, so next one, in a multi-electron atom the electrons are filled in various orbital in the order of increasing energy. Okay, in a multi-electron atom the electrons are filled in various orbitals in the order of increasing energy. Okay, multi-electron nothing but atom contain more than 1 electrons, that is known as multi-electron atoms. Okay, so the filling of electrons in multi-electron atom is based on increasing energy, increasing order of energy. Okay, to fill the electrons in various orbital for multi-electron atoms we use increasing order of energy. Okay, so next one, the probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to the square of the orbital wave function psi square, is known as probability density and is always positive. Okay, it is possible to predict the region around the nucleus, okay, where electron will most probably be found. This is known as orbital. This is already we discussed. Okay, so next one, Schrodinger equation for hydrogen atom. When we apply Schrodinger equation for hydrogen atom, you will get complete information about structure of hydrogen atom. Okay, first one, when Schrodinger equation is applied to hydrogen atom, the solution give the possible energy levels the electron can occupy and the corresponding wave function psi of the electron associated with the each energy level. Okay, so when Schrodinger equation is applied to hydrogen atom, you will get to possible energy levels the electron can occupy and the corresponding wave function of the electron associated with each energy level. Okay, so next one, these quantized energy states and corresponding wave functions which are characterized by a set of three quantum numbers, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, magnetic quantum number. Okay, so these quantized energy states and corresponding wave functions which are characterized by a set of three quantum numbers. Okay, that is principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number and magnetic quantum number. Okay, so next class we will discuss about quantum numbers. Okay, so next one, psi wave function of hydrogen or hydrogen like species with one electron are called atomic orbitals. Okay, psi wave function of hydrogen or hydrogen like species with one electron are called atomic orbitals. Okay, psi is nothing but atomic orbitals. Okay, so psi is describe the behavior of electron in a region of space called an atomic orbital. Okay, so next one, the probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to the psi square at that point. Okay, so the probability of finding of an electron at a point within an atom is proportional to the psi square. Okay, so last one, the quantum mechanics successfully deals all aspects of the hydrogen atom spectrum, including some phenomena that could not be explained by the Bohr model. Okay, so this is a Schrodinger equation for hydrogen atom. So next one, Schrodinger equation for multi-electron systems. Okay, multi-electron systems means atoms contain more than one electrons, that is known as multi-electron systems. Okay, so when we apply Schrodinger equation for multi-electron systems, Schrodinger equation is difficult to apply multi-electron atoms. Okay, so next one, Schrodinger equation cannot be solved exactly for a multi-electron atoms. Okay, cannot be solved exactly for a multi-electron atoms. Okay, the difficulty can be overcome by using approximate methods such calculations with the aid of modern computers. Okay, show the orbitals in atoms other than hydrogen do not differ in any radical way from the hydrogen orbitals. Okay, to overcome these difficulties using approximate methods such calculations with the aid of modern computers. So next one, let us discuss about orbit, orbital and its importance. Okay, so orbits, first one. So first of all, orbit and orbitals are not synonymous. Okay, so first I will explain orbit, after that I will explain orbital. Okay, so orbit, you know very well, orbit is given by Bohr. Okay, an orbit as proposed by Bohr. So according to Bohr's atomic theory, orbit nothing but the electron which revolves around the nucleus in a circular path is known as orbit. Okay, according to Bohr's atomic theory, in atom, so many number of orbitals is present, that is k, l, m, n, o, etc. Okay, so this is a nucleus. Around the nucleus, okay, the electron which revolves around the nucleus in a circular fixed path is known as orbit. This is known as orbit. Okay, but according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, electron revolves around the nucleus like wave, like this. Okay, so orbit is proposed by Bohr, but he could not explain experimentally. He could not prove experimentally. So orbits is not impossible according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Okay, so orbits are not real. Okay, not really existence. Okay, so next one, this is a orbit. Next one, orbital. What is mean by orbital? Okay, so already we discussed orbital. Okay, orbital means the space or region, the space or region where the probability of finding of electron is maximum. Okay, the space or region around the nucleus, around the nucleus. Okay, the space or region around the nucleus where the probability of finding of electron is maximum. Okay, orbital nothing but the space or region around the nucleus where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is known as orbital. Okay, so in an atom many number of orbitals is present, like s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. Okay, so orbital, this is a orbital. Okay, so for example, this is a nucleus. Around the nucleus electrons are revolving like this. Okay, so orbital means the space or region around the nucleus where the probability of finding of electron is maximum is known as orbital. Okay, if the probability of electron is find more in this region, okay, this region is known as orbital. Okay,